Now, this is not complete. You have to go back if you do not have copies of what was distributed in 2007. That is lifelong. Continue with that, and then this is addition. So far as the Ahimsan family is concerned, upon seeing you all, I feel deep satisfaction that there is a sense of stability here. Even though the gathering is smaller than last time, which is expected, the family is more stabilized. There's a commitment from many people. And you do not know how fortunate you are to associate with other members of the Ahimsan family. How many experienced, wise devotees are here. People who can guide others. And it is for them to start guiding. It is for them to be found. It is for you, while you are still here, to find them and make friendship with them. Create Kalyana Mitras, noble friends, and let that stability continue. Now we seek depth to our wisdom. Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. May he inspire our wisdom. The expanded mantra, the first part, Om Bhuhu, Om Bhuvaha, Om Swaha, Om Maha, Om Janaha, Om Tapaha, Om Satyam. These are called Vyahritis, or divine utterances. They are closely connected with the traditional yogic texts, stories of Genesis, according to the rishis, that the divine being uttered these sounds and thereby created the universes. Uttered in your mind, they will give you understanding of the universes that are within you and the universes that are the expansions of the universe within you. External universes that are expansions of the universes within you. At this time, I would advise only that you learn the full expanded Gayatri Mantra and do the mental japa. I have written down how much you should do. Om Bhuhu, Om Bhuvaha, Om Swaha, Om Maha, Om Janaha, Om Tapaha, Om Satyam, Om Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na prachodayat. Om apo jyotiraso amritam brahma bhur-bhuva swarom. There is a whole recorded course on Gayatri Mantra, and I have not written about that here, but you can inquire about it, in which each letter of the Gayatri is explained. Each letter, not just each word. Literal translations of the mantras do not carry the meaning. Those who have read about mantras, they have studied this point for years and years. If you ask me to translate the first 7 utterances, translations will run into thousands of pages. Because I'll have to explain all the chakras, all the breathing practices, and so forth. The part Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat has been explained many times. And the literal translation of the last part, Om, Apah, waters, Jyotihi, light, Rasa, essence and flavor, Amritam, immortality, the nectar of immortality, Brahman, Bhu, Bhuvaha, Swaha, the 3 Mahavyaritis. These 3 are essences of the first 7. Om. This last part, Bhu, Bhuva, Swaha, Om, you will see that the mantras are written in 3 ways in Sanskrit. Then, according to the international system of transliteration, and then regular Roman script, English script, and the way it is written at the end there, Bhur Bhuvah Swar Om. You recite it that way. But I'll recite it, or someone will recite it for you, and we'll have the CDs available. No, they are to be alternated. So when you're speaking of doing 3 repetitions, you do the Akhanda Mandalakaram, that is to seek the Guru's blessing on what you are doing, and then you do the expanded Gayatri Mantra, then come back to Akhanda Mandalakaram, then do the Gayatri, Akhanda Mandalakaram, Gayatri. So keep on doing that. Okay. Let's start it on Thursday. The Sanskrit word for Thursday is Guru's Day, Guruvara. When you come to witness the Sannyasa Diksha, Swami vows, right there you can do 3 mental recitations. And then we have the Purnahuti, the final offerings of Ityukta on the 12th, and then you get more serious with it. All right? There are times when I do not advise some people to do Gayatri Mantra, but that is more in the terms of a Purushcharana, an intensive practice. 1 mala of Gayatri a day, that is all right for anyone, anywhere. Secondly, if you have read or if you are going to reread my booklet on special mantras, what do you do with previous mantras that you have done? You do a few repetitions in each sitting of the previous ones, so that link remains. And then you concentrate on the current practice. Like Ityukta, you don't completely forget it. Do 2, 3, 4 repetitions every day. Okay? Yeah.